Hello, I'm Sage. Welcome to this edition of the Hot Performers Show. In today's show, we'll be throwing some light on Helloworld Travel's March quarter report, which was announced earlier today, and its share price performance. Shares of Helloworld Travel on the ASX as HLO traded at 1.88% higher at $2.71 Australian per share at 12:40 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on the ASX today. So Helloworld Travel shares trading updates from the March quarter with its shareholders, and the share price of Helloworld has gained approximately by 46% on the ASX over the past 12 months. On the other hand, Helloworld's year-to-date share price also gained about 7% at 12:40 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on the ASX today. Let's now take a look at Helloworld's March quarter trading updates. And according to Helloworld's March quarter trading updates, the company generated a total transaction value, or TTV, worth 419 million Australian dollars based on an unaudited management account. It was up by 60% from the previous corresponding period. And moreover, the company's TTV in January was 87 million Australian dollars because of the impacts of COVID-19. However, Helloworld significantly improved its performance in February and March to meet its expectations. And Helloworld reported a 52% gain in its revenue from its previous corresponding period to 22.8 million Australian dollars. It further indicated a revenue margin of 5.43%. And on the other hand, Helloworld reported an EBITDA loss worth 1.9 million Australian dollars in the given period, and January alone witnessed a loss of 1.5 million Australian dollars due to the outbreak of Omicron. And meanwhile, February and March combined losses were less than 0.5 million Australian dollars. The company also informed that it has highly benefited from wage subsidies worth 4.8 million Australian dollars in Australia and New Zealand. As a result, it helped Helloworld to compensate employee costs of 16.4 million Australian dollars and reduce them to 11.6 million Australian dollars. Helloworld also reported that its total transaction value for the non-corporate business gained by 117% and revenue by 89% from the previous corresponding period. As a result, it showed strong recovery signs for the company in the post-pandemic phase. In the March quarter, Helloworld completed the sale of its corporate division. It has helped the company to deliver a strong balance sheet at the end of the quarter. And as a result, the company ended the quarter with zero bank debt and sufficient liquidity to recommence all its operations during the post-pandemic growth phase. So furthermore, this company has recommenced the cruise operation in Australia from April 2022, enabling inbound tourists to travel to Australia, Fiji and New Zealand as the COVID-19 restrictions are no longer valid. The company has also regained its confidence as the international borders reopened. The tourists have begun to book with longer lead times and higher average spending. Helloworld Travel today announced the appointment of Michael Smith also as the new Chief Financial Officer of the company. This will be effective as of today, 2nd of May 2022. So Helloworld Travel is an Australia-based domestic and international travel service provider with a market capitalisation of 406.17 million Australian dollars. The company primarily acts as a travel distributor in Australia and New Zealand, and Helloworld's headquarter is situated in South Melbourne. And thank you for joining us on that report, but that is all for now. We will be back with the Hot Performers Show tomorrow, but till then, keep watching Kalkine TV. We have more trending news updates and market insights coming for you soon. Sage here signing off for now.